In this video, we're gonna show how to remove and replace casters from your chair. The only tools you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver, preferably one with a thinner, smaller head, and then a pair of needle nose pliers. What you're looking at on the caster is the body of the caster, and then this piece right here is the stem. We wanna get the flathead screwdriver on the underside of that stem, but as you can see right here, you can't reach it. So what you wanna do is put a little pressure, sideways pressure on the caster, leverage it up a little bit, and then use the flathead screwdriver to get underneath that ridge on the stem, just like this. Once it gets to this point, you can take your flathead screwdriver, put it to the side, grab your needle nose pliers, and just use a little bit of leverage, just like this, pulling the stem right out of the base. Once you're ready to install the replacement caster, all you're gonna do is push it in. The only thing holding this caster in place secure is this spring clip right here. And so you can wiggle this caster just in, just like this, put it in place. It's secure in there. And again, when the chair's right side up, there's no outward pressure pulling that caster out. And so it's very solid in there. One of the things that you have to look out for when you're replacing casters on an ESD chair, sometimes what can happen in the field is you use your flathead screwdriver to lift up, get the stem started, but the caster body actually removes itself from the stem itself without getting underneath there. That's okay. The one thing that you want to be careful of is there's a ball bearing inside of here. And so sometimes when the caster stem gets removed from the caster itself, that ball bearing can fall out. And that ball bearing is critical for the path to ground for that ESD caster. So you don't want to lose that. Make sure you don't lose that. This is not a problem. What we gotta do is continue on, use our pair of needle nose pliers, just get a little bit of leverage on there and just continue moving that stem up and you're okay. When you get the stem out, take that, press fit it back into the caster, make sure that ball bearing is there. And again, we can just wiggle this caster, putting pressure down, and it'll fall into place. So if you have any questions about what you've seen in this video on how to replace casters from a chair, feel free to give us a call at our office and we'd love to talk with you.